the reverse funnel metaphor is what I call a pyramid with a free party. You go to Egypt, you need to choose which of the 3 pyramids you'll go to. And there's 3 different parties on the first level. And then you choose which pyramid to go to according to which party is cooler. So if you know that one of the parties have free drinks and someone famous is somewhere in the pyramid, that's a way better party. You'll go to that. And the party is a metaphor of anything you do for free. Your podcast, your YouTube channel, your marketing, whatever you do for free that you are not paid for that time, that's your party. It better be a really good party. You go to the party and you want some pizza, and the pizza is $12 if you climb this ladder. So you go from the ground to level 1, and that is your tripwire of your cheapest offer that you can make. So they climb to the first ladder, and then they find out on the second floor they can buy for $37 better seats, and you can choose your toppings on your pizza, and there's some restrooms. And then you find out that the celebrity you were looking for is there choosing his topics for the pizza, and he's telling you, hey, for $100 on the next level in the pyramid, I'm doing a private lesson for 20 people. And then when you're there, you find out that on the next level for $1,000, you can have one-on-one with them. So you don't offer all of the ladders to the people in the free party. You choose strategically which ladders to show them and when. And if someone comes to you and say, hey, can I have some of that $5,000 level option? You will take them in a helicopter all the way up. So I believe that the multi-layers of a pyramid with ladders that are hard, that you need a really good reason on every single decision that you offer, and with the metaphor of the free party being everything you do for free, all of these together actually reflect real life in business. So you don't need one more funnel. What you need is a pyramid with an amazing free party.